Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Jacob Dev. Today's topic is OttoDev Bolt.New, which is a good fork from the original Stackblitz Bolt.New. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build that for free on Kaggle. So that being said, let's get started. So if you search for OttoDev Bolt.New, it should give you this GitHub page. And basically, they have a lot of the tutorials and readmes, but somehow this is a little bit confusing. So the easiest way I'm going to show in this video is to build everything on Kaggle. And so let's go to kaggle.com and create a notebook. So here you can see that I already created a OttoDev Bolt.New coder. So this repo originally is from Stackblitz Bolt.New, as you can see here, but the original I think is only supports Anthropic models. So then it's kind of limited, but so this one is better because it supports all the OpenAI, almost all the Llama models and the Grok models, OpenAI and Anthropic models. So which is good. And so here, go back to the Kaggle notebook. And the first, if you want to build the Bolt.New OttoDev on Kaggle, so just follow these steps. So first, to create a function that runs bash command in Python, and then you just clone this repo, and then basically to go to this cd this repo and then install ungrok, which is the tunneling to expose everything within the notebook to the outside of the notebook, so you can access this publicly. As you can see that we basically map everything to localhost 80 because we're going to create engines throughout the traffic. So you can see that this is already running on the public URL start at C33A, which is what I'm going to show you guys in here. And so next, you basically have to install engines, as I mentioned, because the ungrok is going to map to localhost 80. So engines will do all this traffic routing, and then after that, you make sure that all the traffic is routed to the localhost 15173. So this is the PNPM dev port. So this is how the OttoDev Bolt.New is going to spin up. So basically, to map everything to this local port, and then after that, make sure you do a engine stop and start, so it will spin up engines. And also, you can do a NAT tool, so you can do all this traffic monitoring. And after that, make sure you write a .environment file so that you have be able to configure all these different API keys and base URLs for different providers. For example, Llama. And also, right now we're going to demo in Grok, so you can just use this Grok API key, paste it from your Grok console. I'll do that after the demo. And after that, make sure you install npm pnpm. So it's another way to run npm. So basically, it's just pnpm. It's just a better one. And then you basically go to the Bolt.New this repo folder and just do a npm install. And after that, just do a dev. Basically, it's not going to be production build, and then just do npm run dev. So that's all the setup you need if you run this on a CPU, because Grok already provides you the GPU, so you can just run everything in the CPU mode. If you run Llama, then you might need the GPU, but there's a little bit of change you have to make. So we won't demo that in this video. This video is going to be using Grok. So this is all the steps you need to actually spin up the Bolt.New OttoDev version on Kaggle. So let's go to this thing that already spin up. So you can see that's already just running on the C33A, which is the one that we're running in the Kaggle book here. And we just do some tests. Basically, some of the tests, like including, let's say, very common ones, create a Minesweeper game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that runs in browser, which they already did. So you can see that they created all these files in here, and they did a, I think, npm install as well. So you can see that's actually running on Node.js, and you can see that you also runs in browser, which is internal container, which is awesome. And also you can try to see that this is working, right? So this is working, and you can start a new game. And also, if you want to run another program, let's just test another one. Create a Python Assistant game using Python, using HTML. Maybe just do another one, CSS. and JS that runs in browser. Let's do a quick test on that. Okay, so basically there's a error processing. Maybe we should just do another sample. Let's see. Okay, so let's copy the question here. Create a snake game using HTML, CSS, and JS that runs in browser. Okay. You can see these are different sessions, so that is working. So it's creating all these different files in here. So interesting. So basically, the format has some issues, and then they didn't save it. So you just go back and do a edit, and then basically can save it here. After that, maybe do a open index.html. Okay, somehow it didn't work, but you can see that it's created. So then we can just download to local and test it. But anyway, so I think it does whatever the code needed. So you can create HTML, CSS, and but I don't think they have enough code for the JavaScript. So they're supposed to have some of the code and stuff, but I don't have it. Anyway, so you can maybe just try something different. But this is for the demo. So and also they do provide Bolt terminals. So you can see from the previous demo also they have a Bolt terminal, so you can see everything is automatically created through the Bolt process. And you have another terminal which you can actually just do a bash command. So anyway, so this is the Bolt.New, the OttoDev version. I think it's pretty good project from the open source Stackblitz Bolt.New. So, and hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, please subscribe, comment, or like. And thanks for supporting the channel. See you in the next one.